Hello everybody, this is Taiska Jumbo. I'm going to show you how I go from this to this in just 5 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I did not plan on doing my hair over the weekend. I just didn't feel like it. I planned on wearing a scarf. But then I remembered that I needed to be on camera all week this week and deliver training and be present on camera. So I needed a quick solution that did not involve me spending hours doing my hair. So I flat twisted the front of my hair, and then I put 2 cornrows in the back, and then I bought a wig. So I bought this wig, which is a full wig. It's Destiny Beauty Elements brand. The style is Kanya and the color is 2. It's a full wig, but I don't like full wigs on me, and generally I'll buy a full wig and wear it as if it were a half wig. So I put it kind of behind the flat twists, and this morning I didn't really have a bunch of time, so I just put it on and let it kind of hang in the front. But when I have more time and I know that I need to be outside, I want to feel confident wearing the wig, such that if it's a windy day and the wind blows, I don't want my business all on the street that I'm wearing a wig. I tend to like wigs that are this kind of texture because it blends more seamlessly. Like this could really be my hair. If the wind blows, you're gonna know that it's a wig. So I like to blend I found a bobby pin. I like to blend the hair in with my own hair very simply. And what I do is I just take little strands of hair and I weave them in between my cornrows. So I'll take this section here. You can do this with your fingers, but it's sometimes simpler to use this little tool. And then I will take another little strand. It doesn't have to be a thick strand. Sometimes it gets stuck. If it does, just finish it with your fingers. I'll take another, some of it's kind of tucked under. I'll take another one. I'm caught. Go in through here. And then I'll take another one and go like on this one. You don't have to do them on each one. It's easier doing this in the mirror and not with my phone as the guide. Okay, so now if the wind blows, you can't really tell because it's seamless. So I'm just gonna pull this down a little bit. I'm gonna put some hair coming forward, and then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. So now if the wind blows, it's a little bit less obvious. You might be able to see it a little bit around the ear, but I mean, if somebody's looking that hard, then they really need to see, right? That's my philosophy. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side because over here it still looks wiggy. I don't want to look wiggy. So, same process. And then there is one little one right there that I could attach some hair to. Pull some hair through rather, not attach the hair to. Oops, I didn't get it. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the same thing with my bobby pin. I'm gonna pull it down a little bit and secure it. And then I like to put a little bobby pin in the middle, kind of in between the hairs a little bit at the edge, just to make sure it feels secure. You know, I don't want my wig flying off. And then I also secure it in the back. So I put a couple of wigs on, excuse me, bobby pins on attached to my cornrows in the back. And then I feel very secure that my wig is not going to come off. If the wind blows, it's not very obvious that I have a wig on. And that's it. So now 5 minutes later, I am ready for work. My hair is cute, or I'm ready to go out on a date with my husband or wherever. I feel cute, I look good, and I didn't have to go through a whole bunch of drama, and I'm set. So let me know in the comments what you think, if you like it, and what else you want to see. All right, peace.